This call is from a correctional facility and may be monitored or recorded.
Freedom. Call. Sign. Release.
Listen.
When that jail phone ring at 2 a.m., that ain't just a call. That's a family in pain again. Mama crying, daddy stressed, grandma praying God protect the rest. And my job, it ain't to judge your son. My job is helping families fight until freedom comes. 'Cause life get rough, people fall hard. One mistake can put somebody behind bars. But Freeman Bail Bonds stand different. We understand pressure, we understand pain,
We understand storms and bad weather.
that's why we move fast, no hesitation. Because freedom should never wait on desperation.
That's how we help your family find peace.
We work with you.
Helping loved ones make it through.
Freeman Bail Bonds in the streets.
24/7 forever we ride, trying to bring your loved one back to your side. Bring them home.
Freedom.
Call now.
From Cuyahoga County, heavy felony nights, drug cases, death cases, domestic violence fights. Summit County, Akron streets stay hot, drug arrests and assault cases, that's a lot. Mahoning County, Youngstown, pressure real, narcotics and violent crimes, families need deals. Trumbull County, that's home turf
Where we stand.
repeat offender cases, still helping families again. Portage County,
Interstate traffic move fast.
drug-related arrests.
Cases piling up fast.
Stark County,
Canton bringing heavy volume 2.
felony charges every night, and
Freeman coming through.
At Freeman Bail Bonds,
We understand one thing,
the court may see charges.
but we see
Mothers,
fathers, fathers.
families trying to survive hard times.
That's why we offer
Fast service,
friendly guidance,
forever ours.
because knowledge protects freedom.
now listen carefully. Them jail calls recorded, every word monitored, every sentence reported. So don't discuss the case on the phone. No threats, no details. Keep emotions controlled.
Tell your loved one,
Stay calm, keep your head up,
we working on getting you home.
because panic can hurt a case.
But wisdom can protect freedom.
That's the Freeman Bail Bonds creed.
Helping families push through fear.
Freeman Bail Bonds bring relief.
We don't judge.
We help restore peace.
Freeman Bail Bonds. Freeman Bail Bonds. 24 hours a day. Freeman Bail Bonds. 24 hours a day. Freeman Bail Bonds. 24 hours a day.
Freeman Bail Bonds.
24 hours a day.
365 days a year.
Serving
Freedom.
freedom.
Call.
Sign.
Release.